Hi friends, welcome to your Wins Lotto. Every day coming my post share. Okay, share to support me. Today date 4 month 7 year 2025. Main important subscribe to join WhatsApp group. Subscribe to join WhatsApp group. Important and winning number post. Only subscribers groups. Okay. Don't miss. Come to joint WhatsApp. Today what guess number 480. Today guess number 480. Convert to 4D numbers. Okay, friends, which purpose Grand Dragon and Nine Lotto? Main concept 4D predict. Okay, today formula 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus. Today formula 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus. Today guess number 0, 4, 8. Formula guess number 0, 4, 8. Sorry friends, wrong number calculate. Okay. Today guess number 0, 4, 8. 0 plus 1, 1. 4 plus 2, 6. 8 plus 1, 9. Guess number and formula number plus 0 plus 1, 1. 4 plus 6, 0. Last one number 0. 8 plus 9, 17. Last one number 7. Guess number and formula number same number coming number close. 0 coming, yes coming close. 4 coming, no coming. 8 no coming. Guess number one number repeat again. This number close. 1 close. 6 no coming. 9 no coming. 7 no coming. Okay, today fourth number 1, 6, 9, 7. Today fourth number 1, 6, 9, 7. Today important numbers. What important numbers? Number 1, 4, 8, 1, 0, 0, 4, 8, 6, 0, 4, 8, 9, 0, 4, 8, 7, 0, 4, 8, 3, 0, 4, 8, 5, 0, and last one 4, 8, 2, 0. Today what important numbers? Number 1, 4810 and 4860 and 4890 and 4870. Today 4 number important number. My guess, play the area 9 Lotto. I guess play the area 9 Lotto coming. Your 4D winning number. Confirm number. I will tell you. You joined subscriber to WhatsApp group. I will tell you confirm winning number and direct number. Your winning number don't miss. Come to subscriber, join WhatsApp group. Okay? Okay friends, thank you for watching your Wins Lotto everyday coming winning number. Compulsory my video coming share. Okay? Anybody 3D playing follow this number 480 playing 3D numbers. Play to box. Your winning number don't miss, don't miss, don't miss. Subscribe to joint your WhatsApp 4D winning. Don't miss, don't miss, don't miss. Thank you so much watching for your Wins Lotto.